I'm Mehul Shah. I head our Microsoft practice at Blue Star Infotech. I'm personally based out of Redmond because I work very closely with Microsoft, but we are based in New Jersey as well as California, and we have development centers back in India and Mumbai and Bangalore. We basically provide consulting and development services to our customers who represent both ISV as well as the enterprise community. And obviously we have a very strong focus on Microsoft. We encourage our customers to develop on emerging technologies, and we are also evangelizing Windows Azure a lot in our customer base. To say the least, we are excited about it. I mean, it's an incredible opportunity. Given the the variety of customer bases that we serve, and just the ability of focusing purely on developing the application and just deploying it on a cloud infrastructure for an immediate rollout is something that is really valuable. Developing in Azure is not very difficult at all, and we have seen that we have been able to migrate apps from on-premise architecture onto Azure in a matter of weeks. So that's another exciting aspect. Even before Azure was announced last year, we heard other companies announcing their cloud computing infrastructure. But all of that were not really appealing to our core business because they were more of infrastructure as a service, and our job is to develop the application. Typically it's the customers who deploy it, so they could choose either on-premise or other cloud computing infrastructure. So that really didn't matter to us that much and wasn't really of that great interest. And then we also heard announcements on platform as a service kind of infrastructure also provided by some of the other vendors. But again, you either need to know the proprietary language to develop on that, or you need to develop on technologies which are not yet very matured and popular, both at the same time. But we being in Microsoft shop all along, and having developed the skills that are required to build applications on Microsoft platform, it was a very easy transition for us to move to Azure. So that way Azure made a lot more sense to us than any other platform that we have seen in the past on the cloud computing side. We have been doing is since the announcement of Azure last year, we were always part of the technology adoption program, even when it was not called Azure SS. So we have been incubating this technology for quite some time, and we have developed a lot of in-house applications that basically we have used to test out and evaluate various components of Windows Azure platform. The three things that come to my mind when I think of Windows Azure are ease of development, speed to market, and more importantly, new opportunities.